Now, the Comical Hotshot.
So the Comical range has been quite popular. It's been expanding upon all the different models.
Definitely. So we have quite a few. And I think this is probably new. I'm not sure if
it's brand new.
It's brand new, isn't it?
Yeah, brand new.
Yeah. So we've seen the Avanti recently.
Yes.
And that was the latest one, I think, before this. And now the Hotshot.
Yeah. So they've had the Hornet, the Grasshopper, the Frog.
The Frog, yeah.
Yep.
Avanti,
and now this
one.
Yeah.
And these are really good fun. They actually, kind of torquey really. So as you drive them, the wheel stands and roll and do all sorts of things. So
yeah, really tough gearbox. So it's got multiple gears all in one massive gearbox to drive the four wheels. And it's interesting that even though it's smaller, it uses all the standard running gear.
That's right.
All the normal racing packs, normal radio, speed control, all of that. So if you've already got that equipment, you want to put it into a new car, easy drops in.
That's right.
Or you can just get one of these with the sort of standard get running packs.
Absolutely. So just for those that are new, all these cars will need a controller, radio controller, and a receiver.
Yep. The
steering servo.
Yep.
Battery and charger.
Yep.
And you need a couple of tools, which means they need a Phillips head, normally a 3.5 and a 5 size Phillips heads, and I guess a 1.5 hex, I think, is actually
it's handy.
useful.
So they normally come with one, which is just the Allen key. So they can be really troublesome to use.
And I guess you're going to need some scissors to cut the body. I don't know whether this is pre-cut. We can have a quick look.
Yeah, it's pre-colored. Talking about the toolkits, we actually got a toolkit that comes with all the kits, don't we?
Have a toolkit, yes. It's just new. I don't know whether it's listed yet. Here we go. All right. So it's red already, the body, but let's have a look at the tires that we found straight up here. So this is chunky tires, actually bigger than the original.
Yeah, much wider.
Much wider, double almost.
Yeah.
And these are the front ones, so as you can see, it's really chunky.
So we've got the body's already pre-cut,
pre-painted, but not pre-cut.
Yep.
That's your body here. It's your bag of bits.
So you can see you got a standard 540 there.
540 motor.
Yep.
All the springs for the suspensions, the drive cups.
Yep.
There. Some brake parts for the shocks. So you have springs, oil. What else is coming here? Speed controller.
Yep. So again, the classic speed controller, it takes a brushless or brushed
and lipo batteries.
Then we got the 40 out here, and then over here, all the rest of your mechanicals. So let's see. There's a good chance that the gearbox is going to be assembled already. No, this one's all in kit form. So there's a chassis which we've just got down here. Got a set of red wheels. And we've got
looking for
some
the
nice white inserts. Yep. The gearboxes are here, so it's the length of the chassis.
Wow, look at that.
Okay, so you can imagine, I don't know if you can actually see inside here. But you've got all the multiple gears that go inside here.
So the chassis is very much a full gearbox.
Yes.
Pretty much.
Yes, that's right.
And here are on this bag here, the chassis rails. So you see.
Oh, that's right, yes.
So I guess you attach this gearbox to the two chassis rails on this side.
Yep, you'll get sandwiched in there. Yep. Yeah, nice.
So definitely Comical range is just to try something different, I guess.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
It's going to be really fun to drive. I've seen them in Nuremberg. So if you jump on our YouTube channel and you look at a video that we did of our trip to Germany kind of almost 2 years ago, we have there's a bit of this car. Actually, it was the Avanti at the time, driving around, wheeling up and down. And here we go. Cool. And speed controller back in.
So that's that sucker.
There we go. Hotshot.
Comical. Yes.
Very good.
That's cool.
Talking about Hotshot, we actually received the real size Hotshot as well in very, very limited numbers. So I think they've almost sold out. We may have one or two available at our work, suggesting here the Hobbyman. But yeah, we have a good restock. There's a couple of Hornets from memory, Hotshot. What else do we have? Quite a few.